Says the Oaks. We're out here on the 12th hole. Second Saturday in December 2015. Hole 12, Oaks and Mokeen. There's Hill wiping down his disc. The ground is a little damp. Pretty decent deuce chance, but I say that all the time when the holes are under 250 feet. Doesn't always pan out though, Mr. Hill. All right. Come on, get it up there within 10 feet for easy deuce.
Come on,
or
Martin.
For plunk.
Good luck, Martin.
Turn back around.
I saw a little twig damage,
It is right there,
but it's there.
Post.
That's the first time in 80 tries.
Yeah, I was worried I was going to hit that branch up there, but once I got past that, I'm like, okay. That is a gimme. That's no more than 1.5 or 2 away. Turn around. Don't turn around. Uh-oh.